Here's an example of using Touching Spirit Bear, so a novel, to support students with the 5E roadmap. I like to start off with today's goal. This helps students know exactly what the expectation is for them. So maybe for today's On Pace, I want them to get to the explore area. I just want them to be able to explore the topic. By the end of the class, I can add in what our expectations are. If I need a conference with any students, I can type in their name of when I want to meet with them. I can also add in any reminders that I have for my students as well. So here is my kind of roadmap where I've got my engage. Students are going to grab a Post-it note and write about what it maybe means to them to truly change. Can people really change? After they engage with that question, they're ready to explore. Students are able to open up this School AI space, and it's going to support students, and they're able to come in, add their name, and it's going to have a video of the chapter I want them to listen to. As they're listening, my students are going to be able to dive in to these questions and pause points and be able to chat with this chat space as they're learning about the topic. Once they explore, they're ready to explain. They can explain, how does school begin to change? What events lead to this? Then they're ready to elaborate, where they can design and draw a personal, maybe totem pole for Cool or one of the characters in the story. They can add different symbols that represent key parts of the journey, and they can also kind of explain how those different key parts represent. Then they're ready to evaluate, where students can create a storyboard that shows new scenes that would fit naturally into the story. The scene should maybe match the book's themes, characters, and tones. This is a great way to engage students throughout the 5E model to support their learning.